The construction noise near my apartment is literally never ending, so I apologize in advance for the fact that this video is going to have construction noise. As you may be able to tell, I sound a little bit groggy, a little bit under the weather. That's because I am, but I am on the up right now. I'm feeling much better today than I have the past few days, so that is very good. For today's video, I'm very simply going to show you what I eat in a day. Lately, I have been just making super lazy and easy meals whilst I've been under the weather, and whilst the weather outside has been honestly pretty gloomy for the Gold Coast. We woke up to it raining today, so... And yeah, I haven't done just like a classic we hang out, I show you what I eat in a day kind of video in a while, so I think it's time to bring one of those back. Before we get into breakfast this morning, lately whilst I've been sick, I have been making this drink, but I honestly have been loving it so much that I think I'm gonna start having it like in my daily life anyway. It makes me feel really good. It has like a lot of zest, a lot of zing, and I just love it. So very simply, all that I do is in my Vitamix, I put some filtered water as well as some lemon juice and some ginger. And then I put in some of this vitamin C complex by Amazonia. You will have seen me use this before because I use it almost every day of my life anyway. But I've very simply just been putting that into a blender and blitzing it up and then straining it through like a strainer and it's just this really delicious but refreshing way to start the day. So yeah, that's what I've been loving. That's what we're going to get into now, and then we're going to think about breakfast. But honestly, all I'm craving this morning is chocolate banana bread, so that's probably what it's going to be. So cheers to starting our day right, to nourishing our bodies, to eating delicious plant-based food, and to having an all-round good time. That is a nice cheers, I must say. This is the best way to start the day, and I can't believe that it's taken me so long to discover it. That's all I have to say. I know I said I was gonna make banana bread for breakfast this morning, but I have an appointment to get to, and I think I'm gonna be a little bit pushed for time. So I'm gonna make myself a quick savory breakfast, and then when we get home from the appointment, I think I'm gonna bake banana bread. I've been really loving baking lately. I think something about it is just like so calming, and it's so like such a nice feeling when you nail a recipe. So yeah, that's definitely on the cards, but let's make a savory breakfast bowl. That's what I'm thinking. Or do I just go a classic avo toast chickpea scramble kind of vibe? Okay, so what I've realized in this moment is that I'm running more late for my appointment than I think I did. So I'm just gonna make myself something to take on the go. So I'm gonna make myself just like a breakfast kind of sandwich roll thing. I think I have some cherry tomatoes. I'm probably gonna need more than that. I have some cherry tomatoes, half of an avocado, as well as some kale, and I might put like some vegan mayo or maybe like some cashew cream cheese on here as well. I will see what I have in the fridge, which is not a lot at the moment. Does mustard go on a roll like this? Look at how sad my cashew cheese is. That's all that I have left. And I would love to get that onto here, but I feel like you wouldn't even be able to taste it. Okay, so I have just got some kale in a bowl, and then I'm going to squeeze a bit of lemon juice on there. And I'm just gonna massage that through, because putting lemon and even like some salt, some pepper, even some oil through your greens just makes them taste so much better. It is fact. Okay, so I have some vegan mayonnaise as well as some avocado, cherry tomatoes, and mustard. And then I'm going to add on my greens. Is this sandwich gonna close? I feel like this is always the problem. Trying to get a burrito to roll, trying to get a sandwich to close. All right, alrighty, closing the sandwich. Oh yeah. Yummy. Delicious breakfast sandwich for me to take on the go to my appointment today. My appointment and I whipped up a Nourishing lunch. This is my delish bowl. Let me show you. Okay, so this is my bowl. We have some kale that are massaged with lime juice, avocado and salt. I have roasted sweet potatoes, roasted roasted broccoli. On the top here we have some charred corn, pumpkin seeds and I can't talk today. Okay, so we have some kale massaged with avocado, lime juice and salt, roasted sweet potato, roasted broccoli. We have some charred corn with sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds and some lime juice on top. This is looking very, very appealing to me right now. And whilst that was cooking, I made a banana bread mixture. I'll leave the full recipe for the banana bread and for everything that I made in the description box below, just so you know. So yeah, I just put my banana bread mixture into the fridge. I'm gonna leave that in there whilst I go to my appointment, and then when I come back, we're gonna bake it, we're gonna try it, we're gonna hope that it's delicious because I completely winged the recipe. So hopefully it's good because I used all my choc chips in that, and I really feel like some choc chip banana bread today, so. Anyway, I am going to eat my lunch, go to my appointment, and then I'm gonna catch up with you guys and we're gonna have some afternoon tea together. Isn't that just divine? And before I go, something else that I keep forgetting to noting in like every YouTube video that I've filmed since is, if you're unaware, I have a like ethical merchandise apparel kind of business called Apparel by Alma, and we just recently launched new designs. I'm wearing one of them right here because Alma means soul in Spanish and Portuguese. But yeah, we have a whole bunch of new designs. I'll show you some more of them later. If you're interested, it's always linked down in my description box. Everything is ethically sourced. We hand print it in Melbourne, Australia, and it's all designed by moi. So yeah, if you're looking for some like merch to wear to like vegan events or like spread a positive message or whatever, make sure you check it out. I'm really proud of it. So yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna run late for my appointment. I'll see you at afternoon tea. Bye. So, hi. I want you to let this banana bread that I've baked be a prime example of the fact that I fail in the kitchen frequently. And today, I mean, if you're looking for banana bread, I've definitely failed. But if you're looking for something delicious, I think we might be onto something, which is always great. I just pulled my banana bread out of the oven, and this is what we have going on. So I feel as though if I did have and use a banana bread tin, it may have worked out, but it's kind of dense, and I feel like I accidentally made like banana bread brownie. By the way, I'm totally aware of the fact that this lighting in my house right now is not a vibe, but as soon as it gets to like 4 p.m, the lighting in my house just like completely goes, and I'm just left with this. Oh, hello. And I'm just left with this orange lighting that's coming from up there. So we're gonna deal with it. We're also gonna cut these banana bread brownies. That's actually kind of like a cool thing. Banana bread brownies. Anyway, okay, so this is what we have going on. Genuinely, it's like a brownie. That's what it looks like. Or like a blondie is what they're called, right? Okay, let's give it a go. That is absolutely divine. Guys, I don't know if a banana bread brownie is a thing that exists. It probably does exist. But if it doesn't, I just invented something really cool. Anyway, tonight for dinner, I am going to my friend Chantal's house. Whenever we catch up, we love making dinner together. And tonight I'm going to her house and we're going to make cauliflower tacos with like a coriander and lime sauce kind of thing on top. It sounds kind of bougie, but it's honestly super simple. But as always, if the recipe isn't like here on the screen, I always put recipes down in the description box below, unless they're like recipes that I'm working on for my ebook, of course. I've also had a few questions about when my ebook is coming out. It is gonna come out. I've just been honestly so busy, and I'm gonna film a video soon talking about like my work life and just like showing you like what I do with my time. Let's go to Chantel's house and see that beautiful woman for dinner. Wow, my winks have been really on top today. That this is arguably the best dinner that Chantel and I have ever made together. We ended up making these taco plates. On here we have so much going on. We have lettuce, rocket, cucumber, roasted cauliflower, barbecue jackfruit, charred corn, avocado, spring onions, and we have this coconut yogurt, lime, and coriander dressing with another wedge of lime and some gluten-free taco shells. Like, you simply cannot tell me that this doesn't look amazing. I am so impressed with that. So this big delicious plate of food is going to be my dinner tonight, and it's also going to bring us to the end of a full day of eating with me. If you want more of these chatty what I eat in a day videos, please let me know. I'm more than happy to make more. And I told you that I would show you some more of my merch. This is another one of the new releases. It says, "Can you not eat animals?" That's online now if you want a new sweater with a positive message. So yeah, thank you Chantel for having me in your space for dinner tonight. Are you coming in? Can you come say hello? Come and say hello. Oh, baby. Hello. So yeah, Chantel and I are going to enjoy our dinner very much so. And we will see you very soon. Oh, P.S. Chantel and I are coming to Melbourne. If anyone is planning on going to World Vegan Day Melbourne event, Chantel and I are flying down for it. And we're so excited. You've never been, have you?
To Melbourne?
No, to World Vegan Day Melbourne.
I haven't.
World Vegan Day Melbourne is the best vegan event, in my opinion. So
see you there.
It's gonna be a vibe. See you there. Anyway, have a beautiful night. I love you so much. Thank you for being here. I'll see you soon. Bye.